Hi students, today we are starting our new chapter, that is cell division, and we are starting with topic cell cycle. The sequence of events by which a cell duplicates its genome, synthesizes the other constituent of cell and eventually divides into two daughter cell, which is known as cell cycle. Now phases of cell cycle, it is divided into two parts, interphase and M phase. Now interphase, it is divided into three substages, G1 phase, G2 phase and S phase. G1 phase, cell metabolically active and grows continuously. S phase, DNA synthesis occurs, DNA content increases but the number of chromosomes remain the same. G2 phase, proteins are synthesized in preparation for mitosis while cell growth continues. Now M phase or mitotic phase, it starts with nuclear division corresponding to separation of daughter chromosomes, that is known as karyokinesis, usually ends with division of cytoplasm, that is known as cytokinesis. Now quiescent stage, that is G0 phase, cells that do not divide and exit G phase to enter an inactive stage, that is known as G0 phase. Cells at this stage remain metabolically active but do not proliferate. Now you will see this is the S phase, means synthesis phase, G1 phase, G2 phase, G0 phase. Now here cytokinesis, and here M phase, it is divided into four parts: prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Before all this study, we have to understand structure of chromosome. Now structure of chromosome. The microscopic thread-like part of the cell that carries hereditary information in the form of genes. The chromosomes are contained in the membrane-bound cell nucleus. The chromosomes of a eukaryotic cell consist primarily of DNA attached to a protein coat. They also contain RNA. The remainder of this article pertains to eukaryotic chromosomes. Among sexually reproducing organisms, the number of chromosomes in somatic cell is diploid. Somatic cell means non-reproductive cell, which is a pair of each chromosome, and twice the haploid number, which is found in the sex cell or gametes, or we can say gametic cell or germinal cell. The haploid number is produced during meiosis. During fertilization, two gametes combine to produce a zygote, a single cell with a diploid set of chromosomes. Following replication, the DNA condenses into chromosome. At this point, each chromosome actually consists of a set of duplicate chromatids that are held together by centromere. The centromere is the point of attachment of the kinetochore, a protein structure that is connected to the spindle fiber. During the middle stage in cell division, the centromere duplicates and the chromatid pair separates. Each chromatid becomes a separate chromosome at this point. The cell divides and both of the daughter cell have a complete set of chromosomes. The chromosome uncoil in the new cell, again forming the diffuse network of chromatin. Now we will see it is the structure of chromosome. It has two arms, short arm and longer arm. Center point, this is centromere, and when two chromosomes are combining together is one chromosome, this is chromosome with four arms, this is known as tetrad, and this time centromere, combined centromere is known as kinetochore, and these two sister chromatids, arms means chromatids, and this is telomere. This is chromosome, centromere, short arm, long arm, combination of centromere, kinetochore. This is chromatids, and this is telomere. We will study what is that at the time of telophase stage, formation of telomeres. Now cell division, it is of two types: karyokinesis, that is nuclear division; cytokinesis, that is cytoplasmic division. Cell division completes in two phases. Mitosis, that is chromosome number is equivalent to parent chromosome number, and meiosis, chromosomal number is half of the parental chromosomal number. We are starting with mitosis. It is divided into 4 substages: prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. We are starting with prophase. Replicated chromosome means they are single. Each consists of 2 chromatids, condense and become visible. Microtubules are assembled into mitotic spindle. Nucleolus and nuclear envelope disappear. Centriole moves to opposite pole. Now metaphase, spindle fiber attached to the kinetochores, small disc-shaped structure at the surface of centromere of chromosome. Chromosomes line up at the equator of the spindle to form metaphase plate. Anaphase, centromere splits and chromatids separate. Chromatid move to opposite pole. Telophase, chromosome cluster at opposite pole. Nuclear envelope assembles around chromosomal cluster. Nucleolus, Golgi complex and endoplasmic reticulum again forms. Now we will understand. This is, we have studied mitosis. It is divided into 4 substages: prophase, metaphase, anaphase and telophase. Now these are chromosomes. As you can see, these are centrioles. Now here these are spindle fibers. As you can see, spindle fibers. These rays you can see, these are spindle fibers. Now pre-metaphase stage. This is the stage where chromosomes are trying to arrange on the central plate, that is known as metaphase plate, and this is pre-metaphase stage. Now you can see all chromosomes are arranged on metaphase plate. These are spindle fibers. Now here anaphase. Now you can see, now it will become oblique and it will divide in these parts. Means each chromosome will divide into 2 parts. One part will go north pole and other part will go to south pole. As you can see here how it was, and you get it, it will become oblique and oblique or vertical, and each chromosome will divide into 2 parts. Horizontal division will be there and it will be divided. After particular time it will try to divide in this manner. This is nuclear envelope and this is decondensed chromosome and this is telophase. One cell is trying to get into 2 cells. As I told you, in this number of chromosome is exactly like parent, so this is known as mitosis phase. One more time we will study. These are chromosomes. They are arranging themselves on metaphase plate. They become oblique, but division is horizontal. Each chromosome will divide into 2 parts and each part will convert into 1 cell. In later stages it will divide into 2 cells. So this is telophase. Today whatever I have taught you, I am sending its PDF. Thank you.